時間っていうものをただ漫然と流れるっていうそういうもんではなくて、どんどんその想像力を高めて無限性につなげていく、もっともっと凄みのあるような時間と出会う。
I know Lee Ufan from the amazing paintings, but when you see even the sculptures, to have a big rock with them put on a mirror, you see that these two elements doesn't work together, but at the end it works perfectly together.
無限っていうのはさまざまな変化を許す、伴うという発想だし、そういう決まりのない感じを与えたいのが僕の無限概念です。
After our first meeting that we made this sketch, I immediately start to make the first prototype to buy the right tools to destroy the bracelet. Because the idea that I had in mind was to have this bracelet and the case that looks like one of the rocks that Lee Ufan has in his own hearts. At the end of the afternoon, my desk was full of titanium powders. The result was really, really unbelievable.
僕は何ができるか、そこで時計のイメージを少し変えるっていう。
The Octo Finissimo is a canvas. We removed the indexes and the logo from the dial.
アーティストっていうのは絶えずもうちょい自由になりたい。
We say it is your watch, is your art.